Okay, this is chain, guys. This is black. Hoping this is black. Two blacks and two silver.